Are you ready to explode your HVAC business with Facebook marketing? Well, let us bring your company into the digital age the right way with HD video ads that target, attract, and convert new customers every single day. And with over 2 billion active users on Facebook every month, it's easy to get you 30, 60, even 100 new HVAC repair and replacement customers in your local area. So if you want to dominate the competition, get more high-quality leads, increase your market share, and maximize your sales and profits with Facebook, then click the link below to get more information at hvacdigitalsolutions.com.